Hi guys, and welcome to my unboxing of the Asus Zenfone 5. A phone that's on GearBest around £275. Snapdragon 636. Also has an NFC chip as well, dual rear facing camera with artificial intelligence as well. So let's take a look. We photo. Got a little tag here we can pull up. In here we must have some goodies. I'm guessing SIM tray tool and case. Yeah, ejector tool. A white silicon case with manual and some like a sticker. Barcode stickers. Here she is. A little tag to pull up there. And here we must have the goodies. Oh, there we go. What we got here then? Earphones, which you don't see a lot of, which must mean it has a 3.5mm headphone port, which is good. USB Type-C charging cable. You get a few more earbuds as well, depending on the size of your ear holes. An Asus 5V 2A output charging block. The Zenfone 5 has a 3300 mAh battery, and hopefully with the right optimization, I should get some decent battery life out of it. So here we go, let's have a look at this smartphone. Wow. Immediately, that back is absolutely striking, beautiful. I've seen a few videos and pictures of this already, and now I have it in the flesh, and I can confirm it is an absolute beauty. Look at that. Beauty. What is that? Sounds plastic, but I don't think it is. There's a sticker at the bottom here. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, I'd definitely say this is glass. Look at it. There's the dual rear camera. A 12 and 8 megapixel lens. Flashlight there just underneath it. And fingerprint sensor. Stunning, absolutely stunning. So at the bottom here we have the speaker grill with a few holes there, and next to that the microphone, USB Type-C and 3.5mm port for headphones. Down the side of the device we have volume rocker up and down and a power button, and they are a little bit rattly when you do that, but not when you shake the phone. So here's the top of the device. Does say microphone there on top, and antenna, those two little lines. And then on this side of the smartphone, we just have the SIM tray. And the standout feature is definitely the rear of the Zenfone 5. Let's turn it on. So it's Snapdragon 636, 4 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigabytes of storage. I did say it has NFC in there as well. Front-facing camera of 8 megapixel and the rear are 12 and 8. Has a 6.2-inch IPS display, 2160 by 1080. And first looks at this, the display looks brilliant. So let's English United States next. Okay, let me go ahead, guys, and set this up. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, guys, here is the Zenfone 5. Look at that beautiful display. So as the Zen UI, the Zen user interface, over the top of Android 8, and here are the apps. Nice transition there. Apps, you get a few Asus apps there. A Selfie Master, some themes, but on the whole, not too much in terms of bloatware. It's just the Asus programs, really. Nice notch on here, wider than the Nokia X6, which I had recently. Slightly wider. This is the pull-down menu on the Zenfone 5. Plenty of settings, NFC there as well. There's a system update available, the Zen UI. It's also installing some applications at the moment, updating a few apps. This is the main settings. Looks a little bit similar to sort of the Samsung style. can hide the settings to hide navigation bar or not. So the navigation bar is collapsible and you just swipe back up there. There's LED indicator, which is on at the moment. This has Face ID. Now, I'll show you quickly. Let's have a look. So if I press the power button once and stare at the camera. Couple of seconds there. Again. Okay. Maybe at that angle as well, the lock screen. I'm looking at it now. It failed that time. Just have to tap it. So I'm guessing obviously the fingerprint sensor is going to be quicker. Let's quickly set that up. Done. Use fingerprints to unlock the device. So I'm guessing it's going to switch from Face ID to now fingerprint. Oh no, I think it's the same actually. So let's have a look at the face. Okay, let's do. Yeah, so you can have them on at the same time. It's good. Fingerprint sensor. Oh, not doing it. There we go. Fingerprint sensor definitely the quickest and most probably more secure as well. There, NFC is on now. It's just crammed at the top there on the notification bar. Let's have a look at the camera. Quite a few settings here. Video quality. A few video settings here. You can shoot right up to 4K. We're in 1080p on 60 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second. So very interesting to test them out in my full review. Camera resolution 12 megapixel 4:3 ratio. Let's bring that down to 9 and 16:9. Let's take a picture of this. There we go. Cool. Do video. Okay, now we're on video on the Asus Zenfone 5. Testing video quality and sound quality, of course. Let me know what you guys think. There's a little mini camera which I'll be unboxing soon. Looks similar to the Quilima SQ cameras as well. Okay. I've just noticed this little switch here. Look, we have wide angle mode. You can switch to them from wide angled or narrow lens. Okay, so the depth effect is this setting right there. The two little heads or body. So it's a little bit dark on there. Let's try this. And here we go. Yeah, that's a cracking little picture. That definitely softens the background. Let's have a look at the front-facing camera then. 16:9 ratio. Video quality up to 1080p. It's good. And we're in portrait mode at the moment. Let me just take us over here out of the camera shot. Yep, definitely does a great job of softening the background there and good quality. Good detail on the camera. Very impressed. Video. Here we go. Video. Here we go. Full HD, 30 frames per second, 1080p. It's looking really good from where I'm looking at the moment. Let's turn the artificial light off. So this now is just natural light. Not too bad at all. Looking very nice. Okay, that was the camera test. Very, very impressed with that. Okay, let's have a look some of the video footage. So we can pinch to zoom to fill the 6.2 inch display, 1080p. Wonderful. Let's turn the brightness up even more. How does that look? I really wish you could see this in the flesh because it is truly stunning. Loudspeaker at the bottom here, which doesn't sound too bad. You can still hear a little bit of that. Ah, that's why. Seems to have a speaker on the earpiece as well. So it's dual speakers popping out there. That's good. It's a lot better when the sound's not coming from just one direction. Yeah, really, really nice loudspeaker. Superb. Really, really like this at the moment. £270, so it's not, I wouldn't say it's a budget smartphone. Sort of mid-range, £270 smartphone, and look at that. Fingerprint magnet, obviously. Stunning design. Absolutely stunning. With an amazing camera, great sound quality, impressive display. The Zenfone 5 looks the complete package, NFC as well. Very, very impressed so far. I prefer myself stock Android, but it does look smart, the Zen UI. I do like the font as well. Wallpapers are nice. Transitions are nice and smooth. And it seems quite snappy as well. So I'm going to look forward to using this. If there are any things you want to know about this smartphone over the course of the week, I'll hopefully have them answers in the review. Bezels probably could be a little bit narrower if I'm being really picky. Chin is relatively small as well, which is good. Yeah, superb, guys. Look at them fingerprints. Look at that. You can see me through there. Absolutely stunning. So that is it, guys. That was the unboxing of the Asus Zenfone 5. Very, very impressed. Links are in the description below. They are affiliate links. I will get a small commission if you do purchase through them. If you do, that's great. If you don't, no bother. But please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.